most important thing that I learned this year was to not accept everything that's out there and to question it and to analyze it for ourselves, whether we should accept it or not.
I have learned a lot during this year and I'm grateful for that. I am not the same person who first enrolled in this course.
The most important thing I learned this year is to solve downstream problems, you've got to look upstream.
Something I've learned this course is how much our environment where we live influences our choices and how many levels does that happen. It's really incredible, and of course how important it is to tackle them.
The topic that impressed me the most in this course was inequalities in oral health. I think that the fact of coming from a developing country and experiencing life in a developed country as is the UK made me think in deep about this topic, despite the differences or the inequalities can be seen within the country. And definitely this course has broadened my understanding about how social determinants have an impact on people's lives.
I learned a lot taking the course. I really understood that there's a lot of similarities when it comes to dental public health problems around the world. And we're really similar, right, coming from different countries.
I learned a lot of things in this course, mostly about inequalities and trigger taxation, and how I can use these two methods to implement it back in Saudi Arabia, and I can't wait to do that.
So the things I'll miss most about UCL, I'll miss the people, I'll miss everybody on the course, I'll miss the evening seminars and the nice snacks. I'll just miss everything. I'll miss the atmosphere. I'll miss the lectures as well, actually.
The thing that I'm going to miss the most is obviously all these group of students who's going to be graduating this year, but obviously I'm going to be in the next year. I'm going to miss these guys.
The thing I'm going to miss the most about UCL is probably the seminars and the free sandwiches.
What I miss going down the road with my friends to the School of Pharmacy. And the best memory I had last year was there was like a week during some lectures. I just answered a few questions that Richard asked, and then he called me Star Performer of the Week, and I was like, yay! I was on top of the moon, I had the best day.
It's my best memory. I think the best memory is when George, during Friday lessons, he starts saying like, well, today is Friday afternoon, so we're gonna leave earlier, and that's amazing. Thank you, George.
We go out for lunch with our tutor on December 15th. We were done with our exams, so we were relaxed and we had fun that day.
My best memories of the past year are any memories involving food. So it's all the times when we went out to eat.
When we were in our lectures waiting for George, and we used to bet what time he will arrive, so I always lost, but I still had lots of fun.
I would like to say a big thank you to Richard, Anya and George. I really appreciate their help and support over 2 years. I've learned lots of things about dental public health from them, and I will miss UCL and I will miss you guys, and thank you.
I really want to thank my professors, the department, the PG students, Alex, Renato. Thank you so much. I learned a lot and I'm glad I decided to come here. Thank you.
I'd like to just say thank you to all the great staff, the teaching staff, especially Professor Richard and Anya and George and the whole team at the department. And thank you guys were really great and learned a lot and enjoyed my time.
Okay, so just want to say thanks very much for all your help over the past year. It's been a lovely year, really enjoyed socialising with all the students, all the lecturers. and learned a lot in terms of looking at the different pictures. It's been really fascinating. Thank you.
Richard, Anja, George, I want to thank you for all your support, for your understanding, and for sharing all your knowledge with us, which I value greatly. And thank you very much, and I hope to see you soon.
Hi, I'd like to thank all of the teaching staff that we had. It was wonderful having you all. And the best thing about this group was like we all are from different parts of the world. Talking about our cultures and everything was really wonderful to know about each other.
I just want to say thank you for your patience, for your commitment, and I really enjoyed this course. I've learned so much, and I really hope I can apply the things I've learned here back home.
Grazie, I enjoyed a lot of the time here at UCL with you guys and with all the teacher, and I'm sorry, but you will have me for another year.
I'm really pleased that I've chosen UCL to do the MSc because it was a great experience. I really enjoyed the course, and I want to thank everybody, including staff and students, for making my course, my stay in this first year, a very enjoyable one. Thank you.
Thank you.
شكرا. स्तुति. Gracias.
Mahad Salid.
شكرا.
Grazie.
धन्यवाद.
Gracias.
شكرا.
Students, ready?
Wait. Okay. Say whatever you want to say.
Can I go?
Yeah.
Okay, so.
Oh, wait,
You're
wait.
recording?
No, wait. I'm just adjusting the camera.
Has anything to do with food?
Your best memories.
Yeah, when we've been going out to eat.
Okay? So, take one, the first question. Action.
No, I'm just gonna like make it very quick. Yes. Thanks very much.
So, silence please, we are doing again. Thank you. 3, action.
I learned a lot taking the course.
Second question, best memory. One of my best.
Is my stuff okay? Yes.
Richard, Anja, George, I want to thank you for your support and for your... Otra vez.
On our own. Got it. I don't know what I'm saying.
¿Qué era?
The bonus track one.
The bonus one.
But the most important thing you learned.
The most important thing is that we need the full lesson only in the morning and only the afternoon.
Not after lunch.
Because after lunch, leave.
Yeah.